Welcome to my channel. Let's do some cooking. Let me show you how to do some Rabo Encendido or oxtail stew. The first thing we're gonna do is gonna salt the oxtail. Make sure that you salt the whole oxtail. Then take the oxtail, place it on the pressure cooker or an instant pot. Add some water to fill the pressure cooker. Set the pressure cooker and add 20 minutes to it. While the oxtail is on the cooker, let's start preparing the rice for cooking. Let's start by washing the rice about 3 times. Don't wash it more than that because we want to keep some of the starch to make that rice stick a little bit. Once the rice is washed, heat your caldero or pot in high. Add the oil. Add the rest of the 2 tablespoons of salt, add the rice, add the 2 cups of water, and start stirring it to mix all the ingredients. Stir the rice in high heat to help the water evaporate. Keep on stirring and stir more. Keep on stirring. Once the water evaporates and doesn't cover the rice anymore, place a lid and lower the heat to low. Cook for 10 more minutes. After 10 minutes, uncover the rice and stir the rice a little bit more. This will help distribute the heat for an uniform cooking. Once you do that, cover it again and turn it off. The remaining heat on the stove will finish cooking your rice and it will be ready for eating. Let's go check that oxtail on the instant cooker. Just be careful opening, release the pressure before trying to remove the lid. Check with a fork the tenderness of the meat. I like to cook the oxtail with a medium softness. Let's start preparing the sofrito or the ingredients of the sauce. Let's chop the onion in small dice. Remember to use a safe knife cutting technique. Work that onion with a chef knife till you reach small dices. Now work that garlic and mince it with your knife. Remember to always use a safe knife cutting technique. Work that garlic till you mince it as small as possible. Just be safe. Grab a big pot and add the olive oil. We're gonna cook in high. Spread the oil in the pot. Add a half a cup of Puerto Rican sofrito. Add the onions. Add all the spices. Add the minced garlic and mix it all together. Add the cumin, then the red roasted peppers with the bay leaf. Add the olive and the tomato sauce. Stir all together. Then add the wine. Add the potatoes, throw those oxtails, and lower the heat to medium. Stir everything together. Once the oxtail is on the pot, add 2 cups of the broth from the instant cooker. Continue stirring. This is to reduce the sauce and mix all together. This will enhance the flavor. Check if it needs more salt or a little bit more spices. Usually don't. We need to thicken that sauce. Work it on a medium heat. Let it boil. Add the pimentón de la vera and stir more. And more. And more. This will reduce the sauce. Then cover it. Cook for 10 more minutes in medium heat. Stir as necessary. You just want to reduce the sauce and thicken it. After 10 more minutes cooking, this rabo encendido is done. Serve hot next to the rice with it first. This is a very unique dish. Add some avocados if you want. I hope you enjoyed this cooking video. Like and subscribe, and buen provecho.